So I've got a couple problems with my desk setup. As you can see, I've got these cables dangling down below the desk, which is just completely unacceptable. Also, this is a fairly dark part of my apartment, so I need some better lighting. So I went on a bit of a shopping spree and got some cool stuff. First off is this channel for cable management, because underneath the desk to run the cables through. I also bought a TROND surge protector, and I think I'll mount this underneath the desk for most of the plugs to go into. Last but not least, some Govee light strips. I decided to get the warm light because I think that's gonna work out best. So today I'm gonna work on getting these things built in and hopefully see some big improvements on the desk setup.